everybody, my name is Kyansh Kashyap and today I have made a portable fan which works on 3 modes. The first one is battery mode, second one is USB mode and the third one is solar mode. Now I am going to show the working of the first mode, which is the battery mode. You can see I have attached a battery here which will give the power to my portable fan. Now see the working of it. You can see I have detached the battery and going to attach the USB to show that this portable fan can also work with the USB. So now I'm going to explain you my third mode of my portable fan. So as you can see, I've disconnected the battery and connected the solar panel to my fan. So as you can see, my fan is rotating with the power of the solar panel. Hope you have liked this video. If you liked it, please like, share and comment on this video. And subscribe my YouTube channel Kyansh Robotics too. That's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.